Hello and welcome. So in this video tutorial, I will teach you how you can make your JPEG image to PNG. So without wasting of time, let's dive in and let's get it started. Just click on open and I will open some JPEG image. Just open this and now you will see that a white background is present in our image. So how can we remove this? We need to just go over to this tool and select the magic eraser tool and now click on this. Now you will see that our white background is removed. You can also click on this to remove the background color from this. And now you'll see that our image is in the PNG format and we can use it in our website or anywhere we want. Or that just press Ctrl Alt S to save this image as a PNG and click on save. So in this way you can make your image PNG to use it on your choice. So if you found anything good in the video then please make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.